TikTok Lite active status on. Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you about the TikTok Lite active status on. So the active status is useful for those, like example, you have a friend, you want to know them if you're online or offline, or if you want them to know that you're off, and you want them want you to know that if they're offline or online, you can see their active status. So how do we disable it? So I'm disabling the active status right here. Most of the time, in some cases, some TikTok Lite, not all, have will be able to um, uh, disable their active status. So here I'll be teaching you how just to do that. All we need to do is open up our TikTok right here. Once we open that right here, we need to just click on the top right corner, the three dots. After pressing the three dots, you will see settings and privacy. Press on settings, privacy. And after right there, once you're here to settings and privacy, most of the time you'll see it on the privacy. In privacy, right here you will see here. There you go. You see here the active status, but right now there's no active status right here. So what do? We can do is go up and just make our account private. It's the same as that, but it also makes our account what do you call this? It also makes our account private and not only our status, like our online status. But yeah, there you go. So yeah, you can do that as an alternative. And there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down question below, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.